X.
Kasunod, stop ring.
Stop ring.
Stop ring, needle. Needle, supporter. Throttle, anvil. Hawakan to. Rear bolt. Rear bolt.
Rear bolt.
Likod. Rear washer.
Rear washer.
Piston. Pin.
Pin.
Tapos cylinder. Housing.
Housing.
Throttle valve assembly. Ito nakakonect na to. Ito yung pinipindot nyo. Okay? Hindi ito ha. Ito, throttle valve assembly. Tapos ito, front washer. Then balik ko na sir. Cylinder, front washer, housing, throttle valve assembly. Pagpantay yung butas para may pasok si pin. Pasunod is si rear bolt tsaka si rear washer. Huwag na sobrang tisa ay, sakto lang. May nakalimutan tayo. Piston. Hindi ko pinaalala eh. Okay, tapos rear bolt, rear washer. Then dito, throttle anvil. Then needle supporter. Then stop ring. X. Tapos gamitin natin ang compressor, isang pindot lang pataas. Okay? Ito suksok. Diba? Okay. Ano yun? Kunin na natin yung mga lupit natin.